everyone, here's Savita again. Good evening. It was raining all day long. So I went grocery shopping and went to a nursery, but I didn't buy any plants because my trunk was already full. I just brought home some seeds, a few that I want to try. I'm getting bored. So I'll be doing things that I wasn't able to do before winter arrived, like my lavenders. I harvested a lot of flowers and I can just clean them up. And then I can probably make some oil. My son finally made my setup. And maybe just sew some nice material and just put some lavender. It really smells very good. Yeah. Maybe I can do a little bit of singing while I'm doing this. Yeah. So I can check if my voice is still okay. So let's do this. Okay. There is a karaoke version. It's not simple to say. Most days I don't recognize me, but the shoes and this apron, that place and its patrons have taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be, although it's true I was never attention sweet center. I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken, but won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She's gone, but she used to be mine. It's not what I ask for. Sometimes life just slips into a back door and carves out a person and makes you believe it's all true. And now I've got you, and you're not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite an ending or two. For the girl that I knew would be reckless just enough, who'll get hurt, but who learns how to toughen up when she's bruised and gets used by a man who can't love. And then she'll get stuck and be scared of the life that's inside her, growing stronger each day till it finally reminds her to fight just a little, to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone, but she used to be mine. Used to be mine. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up, and it's the, I don't know, it's the lavender. She's gone, but she used to be mine. Okay, I don't know, I'm just trying to entertain myself. So, maybe I can play the piano. My husband isn't there. So he cannot tell me I'm playing it wrong. I haven't played the piano for a while, but